Welcome to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar. In this video, I will show you how to upload your website on your hosting. So before we begin, please make sure that you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel and clicked on the bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to sign into your Hostinger hpanel. And after you are signed in, uh, here find out the hosting section, click on the manage button and here find the file manager. Actually, if you want to host on the main or on the subdomain, for that you should click on the subdomain section. This will show you all of the subdomains as well. So if you want to upload your website on the main domain, then just go to the file manager and click on the file manager button and wait. Here you need to click here and here, and this is the place where you need to upload files. But I have a subdomain. This is the subdomain where I want to upload my website. So to upload on a subdomain, you need to go back to your dashboard and click on the subdomain button again. And here you can see list of all of the subdomains. I want to upload on the mystore.ayaztech.com. So you need to read this path, as it is saying that your website will be located in the public HTML/mystore folder. So in the file manager, you need to find out that folder. So click on the Ayaz Tech and go to the public, and here you will find the mystore folder. Double click on that. Now this is the place where if you upload a file, that would be visible here on this subdomain. So let's begin. This is the theme that I want to, this is the HTML static website that I want to upload on my subdomain. So for that, let's download it. Click on the free download. If you already have a website, you don't need to download it here. You can use your own website. So open this, double click on this. So these are the all files that I want to upload. So now so you just need to drag and drop here, and this will show you an upload icon. So, and it is also showing you the number of the files. So we'll just drop it, and it will show you dialog like this. Here you can exclude any file or folder if you want to. If you don't want to exclude, or if you want to add more files, just click on the select files. Otherwise, just click on the upload button and wait. So you can see all files are being uploaded. So that's it. You can see all files are uploaded. Now I just need to reload my URL. All right. You can see that this website is successfully uploaded on my subdomain. So this is how you upload a website on hosting. If you want to learn that how to create a subdomain, I already have recorded a video on my YouTube channel. You can watch. I can also add a link to that video in my description below, so you can watch that after this video. And also, if you want to learn how to add an SSL certificate on your domain, on your website, I will also going to record that video for you. So you can also search for that on my YouTube channel. So, all right, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive all of the notifications from my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching my channel. See you next time.